everyone. Today we're talking about Ford. And forget thinking of it as just a traditional automaker. We're not talking about a melting ice cube here. This is a major opportunity the market is seriously underestimating. Just today, AlphaPilot released a new report that completely recalculates Ford's value. You might be shocked by what they found. Bottom line, buy. Ford is trading at $13.21 right now. But AlphaPilot's 12-month target is $21. And the long-term intrinsic value? Over $32. That's more than 145% upside. Why such a huge gap? Because a lot of people still see Ford as a traditional automaker, completely missing that it's really become a tech-enabled ecosystem company. Let's start with the core of this bullish thesis, Ford Pro, the commercial vehicle business. This isn't just selling trucks. It's a full ecosystem, hardware like transit vans, software subscriptions for fleet management, maintenance services, and charging. It's a high-margin, sticky SaaS plus hardware model. Once businesses use it, they're not going anywhere. AlphaPilot ran a DCF valuation on Ford Pro alone, and the equity value comes out at $73. For billion, that's $18.76 per share. And here's the crazy part. Ford's total market cap right now is just $13.21 per share. In other words, Ford Pro alone is worth more than the whole company. And the rest of the business? Basically free. Quick side note, let me introduce AlphaPilot. It's a professional tool for quantitative investing and company valuation. It automatically collects financial data, market info, and business segment breakdowns, then generates detailed valuation reports, like the SOTP analysis we're looking at for Ford today. AlphaPilot isn't just about short-term price signals. It helps investors uncover long-term undervalued opportunities. Think of it as your smart assistant for making investment decisions, turning complex financial analysis into something simple and intuitive. So what's included in that free part of Ford? First, Ford Blue, the traditional ICE, gas, vehicles, worth $6.18 per share. Trucks like the F-150 and Bronco generate steady cash flow and support a solid 5.7% dividend. Second, Ford Credit, the financing arm, worth $4.09 per share. This is a profitable, stable business adding billions to the bottom line every year. Third, Model E, the EV division, worth $1.69 per share. Sure, it's burning cash now, but AlphaPilot treats it like a high-value call option. For just $1.69 per share, you're betting on EVs turning profitable by 2028. Win, and it could be the next $20 business. Lose, and it's a small price to pay. Add it all together, $18.76 from Ford Pro plus $6, $18 from Ford Blue plus $4.09 from Ford Credit plus $1.69 from Model E plus $1.74 from other investments. Ford's total intrinsic value is $32.45 per share. That's why AlphaPilot is confident calling this a buy at $13.21 today. It's clearly undervalued. The report also praises CEO Jim Farley's Ford Plus strategy, splitting the company into Pro, Blue, and Model E, which increases transparency and lets us see the value clearly. Of course, risks remain: a recession, execution issues with Model E, high debt, but AlphaPilot believes the market has overreacted to these risks. So here's the takeaway. AlphaPilot sees Ford as a rare combination of high value, high dividend, and long-term growth potential. The 12-month target of $21 reflects the market starting to recognize Ford Pro's value. The long-term target? The full $32 intrinsic value. What do you think? Do you agree with AlphaPilot? Is Ford Pro really an undervalued hidden gem? Or is this just a traditional automaker trying to survive? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you like this deep dive analysis, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.